Happy New Year, guys. Just to go through a couple of these and see how you get on. This is all about factorising quadratic expressions. So if we look at question 5, it's the bottom line that we need to factorise. So if we rewrite the top right, x minus 2, and then the bottom line, to factorise that as a quadratic, we do our two sets of brackets, x here, and then we need to think what two numbers multiply together to make 18 and have a sum or a difference of 11. So our two numbers are going to be 9 and 2. And because he's minus 11x and it's plus 18, they're both going to be negative. And now, because of that, I can just cancel out him and him, giving me an answer of 1 over x minus 9. If we then look at question 10, where we've got 16 plus 2x over x squared plus 13x plus 40. Again, let's factorise the quadratic first. So if we do our top line as it was, and again, our two sets of brackets, and because it's x squared, we just put in an x and an x, and then two numbers whose product is 40 and whose sum or difference is 13. So that's going to be 5 and 8. And they're both positive, so it's plus 5 plus 8. Now that doesn't help us yet because we can't cancel anything out. However, if we now factorise the top line by 2, we get 2 brackets 8 plus x over x plus 5 bracket x plus 8, and 8 plus x is the same as x plus 8, so they can cancel out, leaving me with my answer of 2 over x plus 5. If we just do one more, and then you can see how you get on. So question 15, actually let's do that one, that's a clean piece of paper. Question 15, x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 4. So we're going to factorise both of these, both in two sets of brackets. So I'm going to do the top one first, in my quadratic first. X, and then two numbers, product 6, sum or difference 5, so it's going to be 2 and 3. And he's positive, but he's negative, so they both have to be negative, because minus 2 times minus 3 gives me my plus 6. Then x squared minus 4, that is just the difference of two squares. So again, I can just do that as x plus 2, x minus 2, which means that those two cancel out, leaving me with x minus 3 over x plus 2. And it's the same for all of these. They're all basically factorising quadratics, or indeed factorising a difference of two squares. Of course, if you haven't done that, you're going to find it difficult. But hopefully that is a little bit clearer, but I am around on Sunday if required, although I suspect you're going to be rather tired. Okay, Happy New Year again, and we'll see you soon. Bye.